So if you just bought yourself a truck and you're wondering if it has a lift on it, one of the easiest ways to know if it does is go to the back. This is off the back rear wheel tire here. This is the axle going across here. You're going to look right here below the leaf springs. So your leaf springs are the bars going across here. If there's any sort of bar right here, that means it has a lift. So this is a 2-inch lift here. So whatever you measure that is, that's going to be your lift. Actually, this is a 1.5-inch lift, sorry. But if there's anything right there, that means that your truck has a lift on it, additional compared to what it comes with stock.